Ecosa is an Australian company known for its mattresses, and their Rio sofa bed offers a convenient space-saving solution. Here's a breakdown of its advantages and disadvantages. Pros: comfortable. Users find both the sofa mode and the bed mode surprisingly comfortable. The modular design supports various sleeping positions. Easy setup. Assembling and converting the sofa into a bed is straightforward and fast. Customizable. You can adjust firmness levels and change the fabric covers. Eco-friendly. Materials include recycled components, appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. Good value. Compared to traditional sofa beds, the price is competitive. Cons: potential sagging. Some users report sagging in the sofa cushions over prolonged use, not ideal for everyday sofa. It might not be the most comfortable long-term sofa solution if you plan on using it as your primary couch. Requires topper. Many find an additional mattress, topper necessary for optimal sleep comfort. Limited sizing. Not available in standard bed sizes, like queen, so sizing options may be a bit awkward. Customer service. Reviews cite mixed experiences with Ecosa's customer service. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.